This type of multi-slide lathe is produced for bar passage of 16, 26 and 36 millimeters. The cast iron bed construction grants the machine the highest rigidity and absorption of machining vibrations. The guide bars, where the machine's mobile organs slide, are nitrated and honed, and so guaranteed for life. The sub-spindle or pickup installed in one of the positions of the main turret allows the part to be synchronously placed from the main spindle to be finished by its rear side in the second operation unit. The machine is designed to accept different attachments as cross drills, polygon and thread milling, eccentric turnings, etc.